Hello mga ka-shoppers! Samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng 7,000 watt solar LED solar ceiling light square with remote control buy one take one. Complete package, complete accessories, bolt and nasa screw, smart free remote control, and manual for the first time users, and 7,000 watts, 336 LED chips, 320 mm by 320 mm ang sukat. And for the solar panel, 350 mm by 350 mm. Included ang cable wire na 3 meter ang haba, 6 voltage step, 17 watts, and of course, included ang bracket for the solar panel. Magugustuhan niyo to mga ka-shoppers dahil 100% free lighting, dahil siya ay solar powered or zero electricity bill, super bright. And of course, mga shoppers, tumatagal to ng 18 to 24 hours one time, rain or shine. Smart remote control ay adjustable ang brightness. And of course, may timer, 3 hours, 5 hours, to 8 hours. Napakadaling setup, no wiring needed. Ano bang inaantay niyo mga shoppers? Upgrade your nights with free energy. And check out now. Thanks for watching.